Hi guys, welcome to Street Engineer. In this video I will explain how to dismantle e-bike hub motor from wheel. We just need these 4 tools to dismantle hub motor from wheel. So guys, here is the 250 watt hub motor. This hub motor was stuck and very hard to rotate. So I will dismantle and show what is exact problem. First remove this brake case and remove the washer like this. Use Allen key to remove bolts. Remove all the bolt from hub. Now turn the wheel and remove other side bolts. Now take a sharp object and remove the paint in between hub case and wheel. Now take a screwdriver and hammer it like this to open hub motor case. While hammering, just be careful. Otherwise rotor and stator will get damaged. Now just remove the one side case from hub. Now for another side, you just have to apply force from opposite direction. Then our hub motor will get released from wheel. Due to magnets, we cannot pull with our hands. So guys, this is rotor. Here magnets will be mounted. This will rotate, so is called rotor. And this is stator. In stator you can see copper windings. So guys, due to rust and dust particle, our hub motor not working properly and got stuck. So let's clean, and after servicing our hub motor will be work good. So guys, here you can see the strong magnetic field. In next video I will show how to service hub motor hall sensor. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Please share and do thumbs up.